Yes, that's his fragile. What up, world? Welcome back to another episode. Skinny's Real. Yes, it's loud. Yes, he's screaming. He's ready to war. You see the box. Yes, you see the box. We have new upgrades coming. Yes, we have upgrades coming to the Batmobile. I told you they were on the way. What is it? You'll see in a little bit. We're going to be a team effort. Head over to Ghost Wraps right now. They're going to hook me up with something, a little protective for the upgrade. So, Ghost Wraps on the way. Let's not waste any time. I'm running late. Let's get it. Yep, you guys see the sign in the building. Ghost Wraps, ready to roll. My boy CJ. Yes, upgrades are coming to the R8, and he's gonna hook me up with something special. Make sure it's nice and safe. Nice and safe. I know you guys are waiting to see what the upgrades are. Here they are. I'm not gonna snake you anymore. Told you in a couple videos back I was gonna add something underneath the diffuser, so here it is. Woo! Little carbon parts. Yes, back my boy CJ over here is gonna hook me up and clear bra the bottom, because if I don't, it's gonna get jacked up. That's just what's gonna happen. It's gonna get jacked up.
Throw some clear on it, get it nice and protected.
Yes, gotta protect it, because dinero. Yep. Let's check out the shop though, because my man moved to a new shop. Guys, this place is sick. So if you guys need any wraps, Southern California, San Diego, Carlsbad, Ghost Wraps. I'm telling you, check out the Instagram link below. So let's go. It is really bright in here. When he said, "Let there be light," there is light. All right, guys, next time you see me with the Batmobile, we'll be at California Motorsports, AKA CM, as I like to call it, because they're gonna install it. Yes, like I said before, this is a team effort. Team effort. My boy CJ over at Ghost Wraps is gonna clear bra it like we talked about, and CM, California Motorsports, is gonna do the install, and we're gonna look sick, and we're gonna look tidy. Without further ado, California Motorsports CM, I'll see you in about 3 seconds. Let's go. All right, guys, all right, we are back. Yes, where are we at? CM, California Motorsports, Oceanside location. That's where I go, close to the crib, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna snake you guys anymore. Upgrades, yes, we got them right here. You see them, you see the carbon fiber. I already got it outlaid already with the highlighter yellow in the back to match the wing, diffuser, big wing, gang. All up in that thing. So my boy CJ over at Ghost Wraps, thank you CJ, yes, Ghost Wraps. What I had to do, like I said, this was a team effort, collaborative effort. I had CJ do some protective wrap, yes, on the carbon fiber, because where this is gonna go, it's gonna go right here on the bottom, right below the diffuser, right under here, just like that. And I can't have any rocks, no rocks can be chipping this carbon fiber, this beautiful, luxurious carbon fiber. No, we can't mess that up. So thank you, CJ, Ghost Wraps. Yeah, so now CM is gonna hook a brother up and install these pieces on the diffuser, and we're gonna get fresh. So let me just get out of their way so they can do their job. So let me bounce.
12 seconds later.
Woo! There it is. What do you guys think? Small touch to the diffuser, but as you see, to me it adds that like jet fighter, airplane, takeoff in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Yes, it's a jet fighter. Look at the carbon fiber. Look at carbon fiber glistening with the carbon wing. Now all I need to get is a carbon diffuser, which, yes, it's coming up next. You know I gotta give you the somatic. Let me head home and give you the nice slow-mo B-roll that you need to get the sauce of the carbon fiber. Woo! Like a rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, guys. There's the upgrade. Yes. I think it adds sauce. I think it adds flavor. Yes. the next touch to the Batmobile, next touch to the R8. Hope you love it, because I do. First off, I want to thank my boy over at Ghost Wraps, CJ. Thank you so much, man. Ghost Wraps, you guys killed it for protecting my carbon fiber pieces. Yes, with that protective film, covering that carbon fiber, because I can't mess that up. No, I can't. So hit my boy CJ up, and he'll he'll touch you up real nice. He'll touch you up real nice. And like always, California Motorsports, thank you guys for hooking your boy up on the install. Anything you guys need, California Motorsports, they got 5 locations. All I need is the carbon fiber diffuser, which is coming next for the Batmobile. Yes, it is. Rims first. I'm telling you guys, I got a call today. From my boy AJ. Yes, my boy AJ at AL13 hit me up, and the wheels are pretty much ready. Yes. Be ready for the big reveal for the rims. I'm pumped, I'm excited. Because when the rims come with the sauce on the diffuser, then you already know what's coming next. Yes, the wrap, the riggedy wrap. I'm not talking about my rhymes, I'm talking about the wrap for the car. I know you guys want some bars, I'm not gonna give you any today, but the wrap is coming, yes. Gotta tell you guys, something special about these parts, very special about these parts, because no, I did not buy them from an expensive dealer or someone very special that makes these parts. eBay. Yes, I might have bought these parts from eBay. Yeah. Hope you guys like the new upgrades. I love them. I think it looks fresh. Friggity fresh. Like always, hit that subscribe button right there on your right hand side. Join the Real Crew fam. You go ahead and shop your merch. Get you a dad hat. Why not? ShopSkinny'sReal.com. And like always, guys, just like that, Skinny's Real, and we out.